guys, welcome back to another one on Glamour Gadgets and Gaming by Leah. Now and then guys, I like to share something new and unique on the channel, and this time it's not just a concept. Launched today, here we have a brand new product from Anker called the Soundcore Frames, which are a pair of innovative audio glasses, and these are not your average. Guys, these are Soundcore's first ever audio glasses which bring open ear sound and have stylish unisex replaceable frames. I've been playing with these for around a week now, and yes guys, you can actually buy these for yourselves too. They will be available to buy as of today, and I've left the link for these in the description box below. In this video we'll have a quick look at what's in the box, check out the design and build, specs and features, audio and some demos, and we'll also look at who these are for, what I actually think of them, Leah's pros and niggles, and whether or not I feel these are worth £149 or around $200. Once again, the links are in the description box below for you to check out in more detail, and I've also left timestamps in the description box below for those of you who just want to get straight to the point. So here in front of me guys, I have a starter kit plus one extra pair of frames, and these removable frames can be bought individually for around £49 and come in a total 10 replacement styles. The sunglasses frames are polarized, and the eyeglass frames come with blue light filtering options. Anker has said that it will also be offering some prescription options too, and I'm expecting to receive more frames, and I'll be sure to share pics of these on my social media posts if and when I have these. Now I'm going to quickly unbox this and share with you what I've received. Now I have been playing with these and I have unboxed this before, but I have put everything back in just to share with you guys what to expect in the box. I'll put these frames to a side for now, and we'll check out what we have in the box. So here it shows you how to set up the Soundcore frames. We also have an email address and customer support. Now check out the specs and features on the screen in front of you. And this is everything you can expect with the starter kit and in the box guys. So here in front of me we have a quick start guide and product information, a USB magnetic charging cable, a case for the frames with a nice leather finish, and here we have the right and left ear temples. So here we have the charging pins, and here as you guys can see we have the dual speaker grills on each ear temple piece, and an interchangeable frame. So this one's called Harbour Style, and it's in a standard size. These are sunglasses, so we'll check out this in a bit. And this is what I opted for with the starter kit. So in the starter kit guys, you can expect one pair of frame, and extra frames can be bought at around $49. And here is an extra frame. This one's called a Promenade Style, and this is for eyewear. Again, I will share a demo of these shortly. So firstly I'm going to unbox the Harbour Style frames. And in the box, as you guys can see, we have this How Do We Sound card, a cleaning cloth, and the Harbour Style frames. Now these are frames for sunglasses. You can see we have a nice metal finish all the way around, and these are polarized. I have tried and tested these already, both indoors and outdoors, especially in the sun, and I can tell you that they are very comfortable to wear and offer a lot of protection. So what I want to do now is I'm going to very quickly show you how to attach the frame to the temple earpiece. Make sure the Soundcore logo is facing down. Push the audio temples securely into position on the hinges, and guys, it's simple as that. The style is quite vintage. These are quite large, and all the frames are around the same size. The purpose of these funky pair of shades is to also serve as an open ear wireless earbuds with dual surround sound speakers on each ear temple. And guys, you can enjoy listening to immersive music without having to block off those around you, and without sharing the audio with them unless they want to hear it too. And also on the audio temple, we also have dual noise reducing microphones. Interchanging between frames is fairly simple, and these can be interchanged via a simple pull and plug. I'm using my iPhone 13 Pro smartphone, and when paired to a compatible Bluetooth smartphone, you can expect instantaneous connection and you can answer calls, listen to music, and both the calls and music output is loud, smooth, clear, and without any distortion. And in my test, guys, the Soundcore Frames offer around 6-hour playtime. The Bluetooth pairing is simple, and this can be done via the Soundcore app, which I've downloaded from the App Store on my iPhone 13 Pro and can also be found on the Google Play Store. The app, as usual, is automated, and when you wear the glasses, the app will search and find them and automatically pair, just like any Bluetooth earbuds. And this is what you can do from the app. So here's the Soundcore app, and I've added the Promenade Soundcore Frames to it. And here on the app, guys, you can see the battery level. Also, I've got the equalizer on. When turned on, it will be applied to all EQ modes. So I'm on EQ mode 7 at the moment. I'll leave it at that. So sound effects, you can get privacy mode, default equalizer, and custom EQ. So with the default equalizer, which I've opted for, here guys, you can get bass booster, bass reducer, classical, acoustic, and Soundcore signature. Again, I'm going to keep bass booster. And if you scroll down here, we've got wearing detection turned on, which means music automatically starts playing when frames are being worn and is automatically paused when they are removed. So that's where the wear detection comes in. So check this, I'm going to wear these. Take them off. Automatically detects that I've taken them off. Wearing collaboration here, and this is where you collaborate the glasses. I've already done that. And controls, guys, I've customized the volume gesture. On the left audio tempo, if you swipe from front to back, the volume will be reduced, and if you swipe from back to front, the volume will go up. And on the right audio tempo, if you swipe from front to back, the previous song will play, and if you swipe from back to front, the next song will play. And if you double tap the audio tempo, the music will play or pause. So sometimes, guys, if I'm listening to some music on these frames and there's an incoming call, the music will automatically stop, and all I have to do is simply double tap the audio tempo to answer the call and double tap it if I want to end it. So that's the controls. Power off in 3 seconds, voice control, I will leave that. Update firmware. So guys, now I'm going to unbox the Promenade style frames, which are for eyewear. And again, in the box we get the frames, this how do we sound card, and a cleaning cloth. I'll just leave that in the box because I don't need it. And we're going to take off the air tempo pieces here. Simply pull it off, it's not difficult at all. Here you go. These now I can put away, but I absolutely love these. I have no prescription for eyewear glasses or anything, so these are not going to be worn very often. Click, and then that one. Click. There you go, guys. Very sturdy, ergonomic design. Really nice build as well. So we have a nice glossy plasticky finish on the air tempo, and the frame has a nice metal finish. So this is the Promenade style interchangeable frame. This is for eyewear. So these are blue light filtered lenses. And again, I have tried these on. I don't have any prescription for glasses or anything, but once worn, guys, these again are very comfortable. My vision is really clear. I can look around and they look really good as well. They feel comfortable, they're light, and honestly, guys, they're very comfortable. I can walk around and wear these all day long and not feel like I'm wearing anything heavy or uncomfortable on my face or on the bridge of my nose or my ears. These are really nice solid frames, and the lenses are very easy to clean. I mean, I don't wear glasses very often, be it sunglasses, and I don't have any prescription for eyewear, but honestly, guys, I can wear these all day long, and I'm not exaggerating. I actually find them really, really comfortable, and if I had to choose between like the eyewear glasses and the sunglasses, obviously I would go for the sunglasses. The polarized lens is very comfortable to the eye, and without any blur to the vision or any obstructions to the vision. I've worn them inside and outdoors and I've had no problems, guys. These can be recharged via this fantastic USB fast magnetic charger, and again, from my tests I found around a 10-minute charge actually does give these just over an hour playtime. Plug this into any USB port, connect them here via the magnetic pins, as you can see, and the green light indicates that they are charging. And to check the percentage of the charge, you can always refer to the Soundcore app to see how much charge these audio temples have. And this very handy Soundcore Frames case is made of some really good material. I believe it's a nice leathery finish on the outside, and on the inside it's like velour / suede, nice and soft, keeping the frames in there really nice and intact and safe when not wearing them. These Anker Soundcore frames also come with very convenient built-in assistant for local media and hands-free controls, and is very handy when wearing these on the go, whilst commuting, driving, and whilst your hands may be occupied doing whatever. So when worn, guys, the voice control is always active, which means you can use the following trigger words to control the audio without having to touch or tap the frames. So I'm going to put these on. So my hands are here, I'm not touching the frames, and I'm going to say out loud the trigger words, which are resume playing, stop playing, resume playing, next song, previous song, previous song. It keeps playing the same one. Volume down, volume down, volume down. So as you guys have noticed, the volume has reduced significantly. Volume up, volume down, volume down. It's a bit annoying, keep shouting volume up and down at it, but it's really cool. It's really cool, especially when you don't need to use your hands. And it's great if you're doing whatever you're doing and you can't use your hands and you can use the voice controls. Okay, so incoming call, guys. Answer call. Reject call. Volume up. So when I answered that call, it was all good. And when I've used the trigger word resume playing, it automatically cut off the call. Stop playing. So it's automatically cut off the call and continued with the music. And guys, there's no need to take your phone app from your pocket. These frames come with adaptive playback controls or wear detection, which allows the frames to pause or resume playback when taken off or put back on. And see how that music just automatically stopped. So that's called wear detection, guys. How awesome is that? It's so accurate. The music stops instantly. So as soon as I've taken the frames off and the music stopped, it's detected that I'm not wearing the frames. I'm going to put them back on. The Anker Soundcore audio frames are IPX4 water and sweat resistant, which means these can be worn in the rain or whilst in the gym without the worry of water damage. And talking of wearing them in the gym or whilst training, etc., I personally have worn these running on the treadmill, playing music on them, and although, guys, when testing this I was quite apprehensive, I was actually very impressed. I'd say they are somewhat comfortable to wear, sturdy with a snug fit, and they did not fall off even once. And this passed the main purpose of the running test. And guys, although these are unisex and come in various designs and styles, at first when I received these, I wasn't too sure because they didn't look like the typical style of glasses I usually like to wear. However, I must say these are very comfortable to wear both indoors and outdoors, and over time, guys, I've actually got quite used to them, and I can see myself wearing these out and about in public places, etc. And on that note, guys, let's move on to Leah's pros and niggles and decide who these may be for and whether or not these are worth the buy. Now, beginning with the pros. Now, Anker has been quite innovative with these Soundcore frames. We have a very ergonomic and premium design, smart and versatile touch and gesture controls. We also have voice controls. We have adaptive playback controls, which is awesome as well. We have options of removing the frames and interchanging between them. Some frames will be available on prescription, which is always great. And Anker also offers this fantastic virtual try-on experience to find your perfect fit. Now, this can be found on the Anker Soundcore website, which I've linked in the description box below. We also have an option of 10 different stylish frames. And guys, you can reserve your frame for just £1 on the Anker Soundcore website, and you'll get another individual front frame worth around £49 for free via a code. Now, this is on the website, which again I have linked in the description box below. The frames are reasonably priced at around £149 or $199, especially when compared to its competitors. Anker's also offering an 18-month warranty, 30-day money-back guarantee, and fast and free shipping, which is always much welcomed. Now, moving on to the niggles. Now, I struggle to find many, if any, cons with these fantastic pair of audio glasses. I mean, I think it's worth a mention that unlike the Liberty Soundcore earbuds, these Soundcore audio frames do not have much bass, but definitely output fantastic high quality sound. These are a fantastic pair of premium audio frames for a very reasonable price, especially when compared to its competitors and for what it offers. To be honest, guys, these are my first pair of frames with built-in audio, therefore I am unable to compare these to any other there may be out there. In my opinion, guys, these are an incredible piece of tech with so much innovation and are perfect for those of us who like to wear a stylish pair of sunglasses or eye frames and listen to some good music with fantastic audio quality at the same time with lots of convenience. So guys, what do you think of this new awesome piece of tech from Anker, the Soundcore Frames? Do you agree with Leah's pros and niggles? Can you think of any others? Maybe you already own a pair of frames with built-in audio, and if so, which ones? And are you tempted to get your hands on these? Do share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you have any questions, feel free to fire these away in the comment section too. And guys, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Do let me know by hitting that like button and commenting and sharing. And if you haven't already, a subscribe would be highly appreciated, and hit that bell icon too. Follow me on Twitter, Facebook and Instagram to be notified of my upcoming videos, giveaways, etc. And for now, guys, thank you so much for watching. Till the next one, take care, stay safe, bye.